Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 7.2, question 6, 7 and 8. These three questions I will solve in this class. Okay dear students, these three questions are word problems. Okay dear students, let us see the questions. At first I will solve question 6. So see the question 6 at first. Sum of three consecutive natural numbers is 63. Find the numbers. Dear students, here question 6 solution. Solution of question 6. Question is sum of three consecutive natural numbers is 63. Dear students, at first we have to know what is natural number and then we have to know the characteristics. Okay, now see natural numbers. The students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way we can write infinite number of numbers. Okay dear students, these types of numbers are known as natural number. Okay dear students, now see, one characteristic of natural number is if the smaller one is 1, next one will be 1 plus 1. It means this is 2. It means increasing by 1. Then next one will be 2 plus 1. That is 3. It means that next one 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 4. Dear students, observe the characteristic here. That is, if you consider a number, you will get the next number. If you add only 1 with the previous number, if you add 1, you will get the next one. So we can say if a number is x, then the next number will be x plus 1. Then the next number will be x plus 1 and plus 1, it means x plus 2. In this way we will get consecutive natural numbers. Okay dear students, let us solve the question. Here sum of three consecutive natural numbers is 63. Find the numbers. Okay dear students, let us take first number is x. Let the first number is x. So the second number is x plus 1. As this will increase by 1. And the third number is x plus 1, and again this will increase by 1. It means that x plus 2. You can write here or x plus 2. Okay dear students, so our three numbers now x plus 1 and x plus 2. These three numbers are natural consecutive numbers I have taken. Okay dear students, now sum of these three numbers is given, that is 63. So we can write as per question, or we can write according to the question. What can we write? Sum of these three numbers, that is first number is x, second number is x plus 1 and third number is x plus 2, and sum of these three numbers is 63. This is given. So we can solve this equation now. So by solving this equation we will get the value of x. The value of x means the first number. If we get the first number, then we will get second and third number easily. Okay, let us solve the equation. Here is x and x, so we can write 3x here. Sum of these 3x is x and x is 3x, and 1 and 2 is 3. So we can say 3x plus 3 equal to 63, or we can remove this 3 from left side. As we need to find the value of x, we have to make x free. To do this, we can subtract 3 from both sides. So we can subtract, or 3x equal to, if we subtract 3, we will get 60. Now we have to remove 3. How can we remove 3? To remove 3, we have to divide both sides by 3. So we can write 3x by 3. This will be 60 by 3. Now we will get value of x, that is 20. So you can say, what is x? X means the first number. So we can say, therefore the first number is 20. So the second number is 20 plus 1, that is x plus 1, or that will be 21. And the third number is, we have to write x plus 2. X means 20, 20 plus 2, or 22. So our required answer for this question is 20, 21 and 22, as we need to find the numbers. These three numbers, 20, 21 and 22, these three numbers are consecutive natural numbers and their sum is 63. Okay dear students, I have done question 6. Now I will solve question 7. I hope you have understood question 6, solution of 6. Now I will solve question 7. What is question 7? Question 7 is, sum of two numbers is 55 and 5 times of the larger number, 5 times of the larger number is equal to 6 times the smaller number. Here sum is 55, sum is 55. It means that if we add two numbers, sum will be 55. So if we consider a number and then if we subtract that number from 55, we will get the another one. Okay dear students, so let us take the number. You can take any one. You can consider smaller number or you can consider larger number. I will consider smaller number. Let the smallest number is x. So the largest number is total is 55. So we have to subtract x from 55. This will be the larger or largest number. Okay dear students, now see these two numbers and here is a condition given. What is the condition? Condition is 5 times of larger number. Here is, this is the larger number, so 5 times of this is equal to 6 times of smaller number. Smaller number is this. 6 times of this x means 6x, and 5 times of 55 minus x means 5 into 55 minus x. These two will be equal. This is our condition. So if we apply the condition, we will get an equation. So dear students, we can solve the equation and we will get the value of x. If we get the value of x, then we will get two numbers easily. Okay dear students, now see. As per the question, 6 times of smaller number will be equal to 5 times of larger number, that is 55 minus x. Now solve the equation. Here this is 6x and multiply this by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 and 2, 27 minus 5x. Okay dear students, now we have to take the variable in one side, so we have to take 5x in the right side as it is negative in the, we have to take 5x in the left side as it is negative in the right side, it will be positive in the left side. 6x plus 5x, that will be 275. So we can write here, if we add 6x and 5x, we will get 11x, that is 275. Okay dear students, now remove 11, it means that you have to divide both 11x by 11 and 275 by 11. Therefore x equal to, now divide, if we divide 275 by 11, at first we can take 2 times. If we take 2 times, here this will be 22. So if we subtract 22 from 27, 5 left, and here is also 5. So 5 times of 11 is 55, that is 25. Value of x is 25. Value of x is 25. It means that the smaller number is x and the largest number is 55 minus x. So we can write the smallest number is 25 and the largest number is 55 minus x, means 25 or 30. If we subtract, we will get 30. So our required answer for this question is 25 and 30. These two numbers are our required answer, as our question is find the two numbers. Here these are the two numbers. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood question 7. Now I will solve question 8. What is question 8? Dear students, now see question 8. Geeta, Rita and Mita together have 180 taka. Geeta has 6 taka less and Mita has 12 taka more than that of Rita. How much money does each of them have? Dear students, to solve this question, you have to understand that two conditions given here. At first, you have to understand that two conditions given here. First one is Geeta has 6 taka less, and second one is Mita has 12 taka more than that of Rita. It means that the money of Geeta and money of Mita is compared to the money of Rita. So to solve this question, at first we have to consider the money of Rita. So we will take the money of Rita. Okay dear students, now see, let Rita has X taka. So we can say Geeta has. Now Geeta has, what is the money of Geeta? Geeta has 6 taka less than Rita. So if we subtract 6 from X, this will be money of Geeta. And then we can find the money of Mita. So we can write, and Mita has. What is the money of Mita here? Mita has 12 taka more than that of Rita. It means that if we add 12 with Rita, we will get the money of Mita. Okay dear students, now see, these are the money of 3 persons. Now their sum is 180 taka given. Geeta, Rita and Mita together have 180 taka. Geeta, Rita and Mita together have 180 taka. It means that if we add these 3, we will get the total amount of Geeta, Rita and Mita, and that is 180. And from this condition, we will form an equation and we will solve the equation. to get the value of x, and the value of x is the money of Rita. What we need to find? How much money does each of them have? It means that we need to find the value of Rita, Gita and Mita. As value of x is the money of Rita, then we will get the money of Gita and Mita. Okay, dear students, now see, we can write as per question. As per question. As per question, we can write money of Gita. Gita is x minus 6. Rita is x, and Mita is x plus 12. Sum of these three, Gita, Rita and Mita, is 180. This is our given condition. Okay, dear students, now simplify and find the value of x. X and x is 3x. Now 6 is negative, 12 is positive, so I can say 6 is positive. 180. Now remove this 6 at first. 3x equal to 180 minus 6. It means that we have subtracted 6 from both sides. I didn't show in left side. Okay, now 3x equal to 174 if we subtract 6 from 180. Now we have to divide both sides by 3. 3x by 3, that is 174 by 3. So we'll get the value of x. Now divide by 3. 3 5s are 15. Now 2 left, so this will be 24. 8 times of 3 is 24. So we can say value of x is 58. It means that Rita has x taka. It means Rita has 58 taka. So we can write, therefore Rita has 58 taka. So Gita has 58 minus 6, as here is minus 6, or 52 taka. And last one is Mita. Mita has, we have to add 12 with 58, as x plus 12 is the money of Mita, that is 70. If we add, we will get 70 taka. So our required answer for this question is Gita has 52 taka, Rita has 58 taka, and Mita has 70 taka. Dear students, this is our solution of question 8. This is our solution of question 8. Dear students, in this lecture, your homework is given from page 123. Example 10 is given as your homework. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Do your homework and submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, you know homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.